I will talk about how can you disable promotion notifications on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you go down here, you click here on you down here. When you just click here on new, so then it's going to take you to this. It's going to show for you like this. You go above settings, click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on notifications. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just compare to promotions here. You click here on edit. Sorry, you click here on edit here. So then you click here in this sign here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean promotions notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.